We'll guide you through how to design clothes on Procreate. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People want to design custom clothing digitally using Procreate for fashion concepts, portfolios, and mockups. Open Procreate Pocket on your device and tap the plus icon to create a new canvas. Then choose a canvas size of 3000 by 3000 pixels because this size is recommended for detailed clothing designs. Import a body template if you have one so you can use it as a guide. Then lower the template's opacity in the Layers panel so it appears faint and does not distract you while drawing. Create a new layer above the template and select a sketch brush to begin drawing the clothing outline over the body. Refine the lines slowly to make them clean and accurate, and erase any rough or unwanted parts to improve the shape. Add seams and folds to make the clothing look realistic, and include a collar, sleeves, or other details depending on the garment style you are designing. Create a new layer under the line art and fill the base color using the color drop tool to quickly apply flat colors. Add another layer for shading and set this shading layer to multiply so the shadows blend naturally with the base colors. Paint shadows softly to give depth and volume to the fabric. Then add highlights on a new layer using a lighter color to show fabric shine and reflect light. Draw texture patterns if needed, such as fabric grain or decorative motifs, and duplicate the pattern layer if you want symmetry in the design. Use the transform tool to adjust the placement and size of patterns or details until they fit correctly. Apply a clipping mask to keep coloring clean within the clothing area. Then add stitching details with a thin brush to enhance realism. Add fabric wrinkles to make the garment look natural and worn, and include a logo or design print if the clothing requires branding or graphics. Adjust colors using the Adjustments menu to fine-tune hue, saturation, and brightness. Merge layers when you are finished to simplify the file, and finally export the image through the Actions menu by selecting Share and choosing PNG